We all like a refreshing coffee on vacation, especially if it's reasonably priced. However, what happens when you try to create your own pricing discount? On June 16th, 2024, the Key West Police Department was called to the scene for reports of that person.
But can you play the video one more time?
I can send you if you want.
11:53. So it was about an hour ago.
She stole it like an hour ago, but they were here until 12.
Yeah, so they stayed here for a little bit.
Yeah, and then
Gotcha.
she ran away and was...
And she was with her daughter, you said?
Yeah,
young?
Yes, was a young girl.
How young, you think?
Я думаю, что 20, maybe 20.
What was she wearing? Give me 1 second. I'll be right back so I can give you the case number.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's going to be the case
No,
now?
you
If she comes back and you see her, calls right away. Okay, I'm going to go look for her.
because our realtor who is here all the time, he said she's probably local. Because I mean, bills
Yeah.
probably so, but she may come and still. You don't know.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, now it's not
Yep.
here, right?
Yeah, no problem at all. Anything about $20 she took?
Yeah, it was for sure $10, it was $5, and few on the ones.
Once. Because then
So
it was like
from
Like
15 to 20
$120.
bucks.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
she said $2.
Get over here. Let's go this way. On the shake so I can talk to you. Okay. You can stay over here. On this side. How you doing? I'm Officer with Key West Police. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. So I got called to a coffee place that y'all work,
Yeah.
and you want to talk to me about what took place there?
Yeah, we stopped in, we ordered coffee, paid for it. Then I went back to the counter and I bought a gift card, which I have the receipt for.
Okay.
We were sitting there drinking our coffee, and then the girl with the dark hair came over and started speaking in whatever her native language is, and like she never really said anything. She just kept speaking in our native language.
Okay, she said something about money, right? Money taken from somewhere?
I guess she's talking about her tip thing on the countertop.
Correct.
I didn't touch her tip thing. She was there the whole time.
Okay, you understand there's videos there, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to think about this whole thing? Because everything was filmed. You didn't
I
touch
don't know
any.
what she's
You didn't touch any of the tip jar.
No, why would I? She's standing right there. And her coworker was right there.
Okay. Are you being honest right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
So the cameras are lying when they saw you going into the tip jar
I
twice.
didn't take anything from her tip jar. I have my receipt from the purchase of the card, and this is my money, and it's not her money. This is my money.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Look in my purse. I don't have anything in here.
Okay, well, like I said, there's video of you taking the money. You went into the tip jar and went twice and grabbed the tip jar from the money from the tip jar.
I didn't touch her money.
Okay. So she wants to press charges for you taking the money.
I didn't take her money.
Now we have video of you going to the tip jar and taking the money. So why you stick your hand inside the tip jar?
I didn't put my hand in her tip jar. And if I bumped against her tip jar, I certainly didn't take her money. And if I bumped against her tip jar, I certainly didn't take her money.
What do you call that? Look, again, taking the cash out, money coming out, okay? Like I'm telling you, there's cameras. And you're a very dishonest person because I'm giving you the chance to tell me what really happened.
I told you what.
Okay? So I'm going to need you to turn around. You're going to go to jail for theft.
Jail?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh
Will
my
you back
God.
up?
Please back up.
That's my daughter.
Give that to your daughter if you want the wallet. Give that to your daughter if you want the wallet. Yes, we're not playing games.
Yeah. Please let go of the purse.
I can't. I tried to close it.
Okay.
If you would have spoke to the lady and gave her money back, probably she wouldn't have pressed charges.
Can I speak
but
to
it's too
her?
late now. She tried talking to you, and y'all took off.
She did not
and you,
speak to
And you
us
said,
in
"Oh, it was only a
English."
couple dollars." Okay, so.
That's not what I
Okay.
said.
Permission to give this to your daughter?
Yes. Sir, can I go speak to her again? I think you're being.
I'm not the victim. Okay, she
Can
wanted to
I
press
speak-
charges.
Can I speak to
No.
her?
Okay. Listen, do you have anything inside your
No.
person? Anything sharp?
No,
anything
I don't
illegal?
have anything.
Okay. All right, let's go this way. Bye, son. Come on, have a temperature.
Can I go back and give her $20?
Ma'am, please. Stop.
I mean,
How did you guys get here?
walking.
What's that?
Owner from Funky Rooster just want to talk to you. His
Funky
name
Rooster?
Arthur.
$3.
What's your step going down?
I mean, if I'm. Oh my God. Can I give that lady $20?
Ma'am, it's too late.
Sir,
She wants to press charges. It's not up to me.
you said if I gave her money back, if I give her
When
$20.
she confronted you,
She never said anything
Yes, she
about
did,
giving
and y'all
her money.
took off.
No, she was
Okay.
speaking in whatever her native
Did
language
this happen to
was.
Funky Rooster?
Can my daughter come?
no, she's not getting arrested.
Well, how is she going to find me?
We only have one jail. We'll give her the information.
I guess apparently it's all that one place.
Hello? Yes.
All right, ma'am. How did you guys get down here?
We walked.
No, I mean to Key West.
Plane.
Okay. All right. When do you fly out?
What merchandise?
Wednesday.
They told me that she
Okay.
sounds like she was a lookout. I don't have enough. I don't have enough PC from what I just got.
Okay.
But you could be getting a warrant for your arrest. Okay, I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know right now. Okay.
You said 700 Caroline?
It's 703 Caroline.
Okay. All right, ma'am. She's going out to Monroe County Detention Center on Stock Island. So if you look, there's only, okay, listen, there's only one jail here. She's gonna have to spend the night. She'll go to first appearance tomorrow, and she'll talk to the judge. The judge will decide whether or not she can bond out, and then you can figure out some way to get that taken care of. Okay. My suggestion right now is that you go back to the hotel room. I don't know what transpired. I don't know what happened. But whatever you guys did,
I just my mom. I didn't do anything.
I mean, apparently you did, man, because
I didn't.
we don't just get
and you
called
were
for no
aware.
reason.
I wasn't.
You were aware,
No,
okay?
I wasn't.
So
Listen, we don't get
So-
called for no
I
reason.
don't know. I wasn't aware.
if they're alleging that you stole something, why would you like? You're gonna go to jail for theft.
Sir, I didn't take her money. I'll give her money.
It's too late for that, ma'am. It's not up to me. She wanted to press charges for you taking her money. If you would have talked it out with her when you were there, it would have been different, but you decided just to leave the store.
Because I didn't take her money.
You're aware that I showed you the video of you taking the money, right? So,
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.